reason our boss said porn.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why.
Okay. Let's go. We need a key card. Yeah. I almost tripped.
There's some things here. I don't know what happened.
Okay, so he said to go up the zip line. Come on. Okay, nice. Stop right here. Okay, now this is the place. And he said that he said that there should be like an office around here. Check over here. Yeah, this way. You'll have to find a car. Bring your weapons. Okay, I'll get my weapon.
Oh, frick, are you? Frick. It's over there. Careful.
No, you hit me. Hold on. I'm gonna use a bomb. Let's go.
Where is it? Oh my god, I hear it.
Remember your key card?
I've got a key card.
Yeah, I'll try finding it.
Find me, I'll distract it.
What's this? Got it. Let's open this crate. Yo, be careful from that. Don't explode.
I'll disarm it.
Yo, there's an empty coffee mug. I'm gonna take it.
Disarm.
Yo, found some scissors. Okay, let's go around and find a key card around here. True. I'm gonna try finding the key card. This one? Up here? No. That's not the key card.
It's the key card. From the key card.
Yes. I'm gonna pick it up. Let me pick it up. Let's keep the scissors.
Okay.
Now follow me.
I think you have to do over there.
He said that we will need weapons for this one. No.
I have my knife.
Damn it.
I have
the key card. Mimic! Oh no, get out your weapons, get out your weapons. I'm gonna get out my weapons. Let's go. Like that's mine. This time you're yours. Here.
Oh, no weapon. Gotta disarm it.
Don't steal my gun.
Disarm this.
Now he said to go this way. Wait, wrong way, this way. Let's try it this way. Let's try it this way. 3.
What? Out the way.
Hit him. Yo, give me that. I need. There's ammo.
Did we get crossbow?
I guess.
Ooh, more key card.
Key card? Yes, we need that. Mine got stuck on my hand. Yo, I found another key card. I found another one.
I found gold statues.
Okay, so first thing that I need is ammo. Yo, where'd you go? Oh, let's go.
Oh. Find it.
Oh, shoot, get away.
There's another
Get
one.
away. Get away from me.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you defeat it. Damn it, I'm out of ammo. You defeat it. Dude. You defeat it.
You stop.
The mimic's coming. The mimics. Okay. If there's any
Another
ammo,
bomb.
like, okay. There's like any like ammo. There's like if there's like any ammo. If there's like any I don't know, like
found it.
If we find like any gun ammo, give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh, no. Careful. Slipper.
Okay. Yo, what is this place? Yo, let's shred this.
Go to channel 1.
Let's also shred that. Okay. I got glue on mine. Okay. There's an entity. Oh my gosh. You get it. Mine.
Oh, you did.
Yes!
Shotgun. Ooh, shotgun.
No, we have to go on the bottom. Damn it.
Go down here.
There's some entities also. You get it.
Spirit. What is that? What are these? They're purple. Probably only left. Probably chemicals.
Let's go. You go that way first. You're going first. Because, yeah, I had to go first last. There's the same monster also here. Oh, sorry. That was on nice.
There's a call.
Okay.
It's over there.
Where?
Careful.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see. Yes, grappler. I need it. You want it? Or no? Let's go. Yo, we're trying to escape the back rooms.